Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK Laredo X in bright white. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, gloss black Jeep badging, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start system, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7157.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.